We'll talk about how can you find gem lottery on your pocket option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you click on photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on market. When you click on market, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on gem lottery here. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find gem lottery here in this list. It's going to show for you like this. So like you see, I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.